Chapter 8, Sloka 3. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. Aksharam Brahma Paramam. Aksharam Brahma Paramam. Aksharam Brahma Paramam. Swabhavodhyatma Muchyate. Swabhavodhyatma Muchyate. Swabhavodhyatma Muchyate. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Aksharam Brahma Paramam 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 स्वभावोऽध्यात्म मुच्यते. श्री भगवान उवाच अक्षरं ब्रह्म परमं स्वभावोऽध्यात्म मुच्यते. भूतभावोद्भवकरः 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 विसर्गकर्म संहितः विसर्गकर्म संहितः विसर्गकर्म संहितः भूतभावोद्भवकरः 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 विसर्गकर्म संहितः. श्री भगवान उवाच अक्षरं ब्रह्म परमं स्वभावोऽध्यात्म मुच्यते. भूतभावोद्भवकरः विसर्गकर्म संहितः.
Please like and share this video because you could be instrumental in helping someone around the world recite the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, thereby helping them to have a life of unending opulence, victory and prosperity. This is mentioned in chapter 18, sloka 78. Yes, don't forget to buy my book, Leadership Can Be Child's Play. Namaste.